वेलकम करुच्ची कॉम्पिटिटिव क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को। आज आम हिस्ट्री रो किछि इम्पोर्टाट जीके ऊपर एमसीक्यू ऊपर डिस्कस करिया जोटी हमर वेस एंड एज पे बहुत इम्पोर्टाट। हमर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अछि द ब्रिटिश रिसीव्ड परमिशन टू एस्टाब्लिश देयर कंपनी इन इंडिया फ्रॉम जहांगीर। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मगध रूलर वाज ए कंटेम्पररी ऑफ बुद्ध ना बिंबिसार। Which of the political party of Britain was in power when India became independent? Labour Party. The Mafla Rebellion was broke out in which of the following state in 1921? Kerala. Niccolo Conti, the traveller who visited the Vijayanagar kingdom in 1420 AD, was an Italian. से Italian रो आस्तिले इटाली रो। The people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped काहू पूजा करते ना पशुपति को। Balgandhar Tilak was given the epithet of Lokamanya during Home Rule movement. Kautilya's Arthashastra is a book on principle and practice of statecraft. Mahatma Gandhi gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel for his great organization in which of the following ना बारदोली सत्याग्रह समय रे who were the first king to issue gold coin na Indo-Greek. The All India Muslim League was set up under the leadership of Aga Khan. Tuzuk-i-Jahangir was written by which of the following? Jahangir. Which Sufi order was popularized in India by the first Mughal emperor Babur? Naqshbandiya. Who among the following transferred his capital from Delhi to Devagiri? ना मोहम्मद बिन तगलक। मोहम्मद बिन तगलक कौन करथिले ना दिल्ली टू देवगिरी को कौन कैपिटल को ट्रांसफर करथिले हला। एटा होची हमरो जो ए ओएस एंड एसओ पई ए सब जीके आसुची हिस्ट्री ऊपर एमसीक्यू ऊपर जोटा बहुत बहुत इंपोर्टेंट है कि ओके। देखंतु जो कहले जो वल्लभभाई पटेल एटा को समय महात्मा गांधी को उपाधि देथिले ना बरदोली सत्याग्रह समय रे ओके। Next question, the rupees coin were first minted in India during rule of Sher Shah Suri. During the 1857 revolt, who among the following captured Gwalior from the Scindia? Rani Lakshmibai. When was the Mountbatten Plan which proposed for the partition of India declared? 1947 June. Mahabalipuram was established by the Pallavas. At which of the following place Lord Buddha attained enlightenment? Goya. Who among the following founded the four motto in the four corner of India? Na Shankaracharya. The university which became famous in the post-Gupta era was Takshila. Permanent revenue settlement of Bengal was introduced by Cornwallis. Which one of the following Mughal emperor donated land for the construction of the Golden Temple of Akbar? Gandhiji started his famous Dandi March from Sabarmati in which year? 1930. Vimana style of architecture in temple is the contribution of Chola. Who among the following Delhi Sultan founded a number of cities in North India? Firoz Tughlaq. Which of the following dynasty in ancient India was the oldest? Nanda dynasty. Who was chosen by Mahatma Gandhi as the first individual satyagrahi? Vinoba Bhave. Who among the following eminent literary figure was patronized by Emperor Harshavardhana? Banabhatta. ओके ये सब जीके ये सब एमसीक्यू आमर एसओ एवं ओएस पाई बहुत इंपोर्टेंट बहुत इंपोर्टेंट मेनली एसओ पाई ओके थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची which one of the following places is famous for its gigantic rock cut statue of the Buddha? Na Banyan. When Mahatma Gandhi set out on the Dandi March, he was accompanied among others by Jawaharlal Nehru and Sarojini Naidu. In ancient India, Nalanda University was a great center for the study of Mahayana Buddhism. The Chinese pilgrim Huan Tisang visited India during a reign of हर्षवर्धन समय which of the following is correctly matched? देखो ये खजुराहो एंड चांडेला ही करेक्ट मैच होती। होम रूल मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय बालगंगाधर तिलक जो समय कि महात्मा गांधी को उपाधि देते। ड्यूरिंग द इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल द डेक्कन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी वाज फॉर्म बाय MG Ranade. Who was the president of Congress when it declared Purna Swaraj as its objective? Jawaharlal Nehru. With which movement did Mahatma Gandhi enter into Indian politics? Na Champaran movement. Pulkesin II, the Chalukya ruler, defeated Harshavardhana on the banks of the river Narmada. Megasthenes, the Greek ambassador, came to Pataliputra at the time of Chandragupta Maurya. Who among the ruler of southern India were the contemporaries of king of the Gupta emperor? Satavahanas. Which of the following are associated with Akbar? ये जो ऑप्शन भितर कोटा अकबर सहित अटैच होती दीन ई इलाही इबादत खान खाना फतेहपुर सिकरी द फास्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत कोटा ना 1 2 3 दीन ई इलाही इबादत खान फतेहपुर सिकरी ओके देखो ये सब जो जीके गुड़ाक बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टाट मोर ओएस एवं एएसओ एग्जाम बहुत इम्पोर्टाट अच्छे ये जीके गुड़ाक मेनली आमर हिस्ट्री जो जिते सब एमसीक्यू डिस्कसन करुचे कि आमर जियोग्राफी जिते सब एमसीक्यू डिस्कसन करुचे है कि आम पॉलिटी इकोनॉमी करेंट इवेंट उपर जिते सब कहूँ ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो द फास्ट सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट वाज लॉन्च्ड बाय गांधीजी एट चंपारण हु वाज द फास्ट रूलर हु मेड पाटलिपुत्र एज द कैपिटल ऑफ हिज एम्पायर चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य Who among the following leaders did not believe in the drain theory of Dadabhai Naoroji? Sirsyed Ahmad Khan. Who was the last Hindu ruler of Delhi? Prithvi Bhatt. The first underground railway in India was opened in 1984. Koti Rahidala, Calcutta. Who among the following was the founder of Vijayanagar Kingdom? Harihar and Buka. Who was the first European to translate the Bhagavad Gita into English? Charles Wilkins. Which of the following was the first fort built by British in India? St. George Fort. Chauri Chaura is known in the history of India struggle for freedom because Gandhiji withdrew his Satyagraha movement when an irate mob set fire to a police station and burned some policemen. से कौन करते चोरी चोरा समय जो इंडियन स्ट्रगल होता से कौन करते विड्रो कर सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट को विड्रो कर देते ओके द फॉरेन ट्रैवलर हु विजिटेड इंडिया ड्यूरिंग विजयनगर पीरियड वाज निकोला कंटी व्हिच लीडर इज कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ इंडियन सोशल रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट राजा राजमोहन रॉय नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी फ्लोरिस्ड ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रूलर हर्षव हु वाज the first king to have the image of Lord Buddha inscribed on his coin ना कनिष्क है कनिष्क समय से लॉर्ड बुद्ध कौन करते लॉर्ड बुद्ध कौन करते ना कॉइन रे स्थापन करते इनस्क्राइब करते देखो यहाँ हूँ आम मैं ओएस एंड ये सब बहुत इंपोर्टेंट से आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँ शेयर करूँ लाइक करूँ एवं समस्त शेयर करूँ थैंक यू ऑल द बेस्ट जय जगन्नाथ भलसे पढ़ु और एग्जाम क्वालिफाई करूँ।